Right now, one of the biggest questions I hear every single day is this: how do I go from temporary to permanent residence in Canada? Whether you're here as a worker, a student, or on a temporary permit, the goal for so many people is stability, permanent status, a future they can count on. These are the things they're looking for. And here's the truth. It's getting harder. The Canadian government has made some major changes over the past year, and a lot of people are confused, anxious, and honestly just scared about what comes next. I get it. Even in our own world, in our own office, this hits home. One of our team members came as an international student. She did everything right. She got her postgraduate work permit and she applied for PR. But now she's sitting in that awful waiting zone, watching the points threshold go up and wondering if she'll ever get invited for permanent residence. If the numbers don't come down, she might lose her chance. That means she'd have to leave or switch to a visitor visa and sit in limbo even longer, not allowed to work, not allowed to move forward. It's brutal, and she's clearly not alone in this. We see this with clients too. Just yesterday, one of our longtime clients, a single mom, a foreign-trained doctor, finally got her permanent residence. She had been waiting for months. No income, no work, no ability to bring her son back from India where he was living with her parents. It was heartbreaking. Now she finally has PR. She can practice medicine in Ontario, earn a living, and bring her child home. But it should not take this much suffering to get there. It never used to be this hard. Or take one of our other clients, a former chef from Ghana, came to Canada and has been working for one of our clients as well as in the kitchen as a chef. But because of how he entered the country, the work permit may not be renewable. He has exactly 2 years and he has to get permanent residence before that time runs out. There are seen to be no second chances, no extensions. If it doesn't happen, he'll have to leave Canada and go back home. And I know for a lot of employers and corporate clients watching this, it's terrifying. You've brought in incredible talent. They're delivering, they're integrated, but there's this ticking clock on their ability to stay. So let's talk about strategy, because yes, there are still some pathways, but you need to act early and have a plan. Whether it's express entry, provincial nominee programs, or family sponsorship, we look at every possible angle based on your unique story and immigration history. Sometimes it's about timing. Sometimes it's about points. And sometimes it's about changing course completely, applying through a different stream or changing status before the clock runs out. But here's what you can't do. You cannot wait and hope. If you're in Canada on a temporary permit and want to stay permanently, you need to start building your strategy now. Not when your permit is just about to expire. Not when your options have already narrowed. Now. At Ackah Business Immigration Law, we help individuals and businesses turn uncertainty into clarity. We've done it for international students, working professionals, essential staff, and entrepreneurs for more than 16 years, and we can do it for you too. Because immigration shouldn't feel like a ticking time bomb. It should feel like a real future, one you can plan for. Book a call with our team. Let's talk about your path from temporary to permanent residence and how to get there without losing what you've already built here in Canada.